Hey, it's Dan Nickerson. I had a couple of customers ask me recently about using sliders with Socrates 5 or with speaker theme. And it's very easy to do, but I've realized I hadn't made a video yet. So I'm making a quick video here to show you how to add a slider to Socrates or speaker theme. Now I should mention in the old versions of Socrates, we used to have Revolution slider that was included with it, but most people didn't use it, and sliders these days are becoming kind of out of favor in the sense that they slow down the load time of a website. Most people view on mobile anyhow, and so they're not as popular as they used to be, but certainly you do still see them, and they're maybe good on one page. And so I'm going to show you how to do that right now using our top banner widget and a slider plugin. So I've actually got Smart Slider 3 installed. It's a pretty nice plugin. It's free. Meta Slider is another plugin you can install, but Smart Slider 3 is free. You're going to see it added a little navigation tab here. I'm clicking on that. And I could go and show you how to do new sliders or add a template from their library, but they also have sample slider code. So I'm just going to use their sample slider code here. And I'm going to scroll down. You'll see it has these 3 different slides that are right here. They're going to give me this short code. I'm going to copy the short code like so. Now I'm going to go into size because by default they have this very tall, you can see the slider height set to 3,000 pixels. That's too big for me. So I'm going to change that to 600 pixels like that. And it has all kinds of different options. Pretty cool for a free plugin. I also want this to be, that's fine with that. You can choose all these different things. And I'm going to click on Save. And now that I've saved that, I'm going to go to Appearance, Widgets. And I'm going to go to drag a custom HTML banner. Actually, I'm not sure. They actually have, let me try something. They actually have this. Ah, cool. We'll try that. And now I'm going to go back to this page. I'm going to reload the page. And there's my slider. Pretty cool, huh? So there's the slider. And it looks nice. And obviously, I don't have these set up. You probably can do customizations and do links to other things and so forth. But maybe you only want this on the home page, right? So if I click on the sticky post here as an example, oh, I don't want the slider on that page. Well, you go in here, you click on visibility. This is part of the Socrates toolkit. And I'm going to go page is front page. I'm going to click on save. Now go back here and reload, and it's going to be gone from the sticky page, and it's back on the home page. So this is the speaker theme setup right now. It's got the full width layout. But if I went in here to themes and I change to Socrates, and I go back and click on visit site, you're going to see that it's, see, this is good. I can see this. It actually overrides this. So let me check on that. So if you want to use the slider here, let me try, go back to Smart Slider settings. I'm going to go here, edit, and I'm going to have this just be size 1200 auto. Save, reload. Oh, cool. There it is. So that's what it looks like inside Socrates container. You just have to set the auto. Pretty sweet. Looks good. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Once again, this is Smart Slider. It's a free slider plugin, so hope that was helpful.